Hello Philinvestors, this is Randall, Sales Manager of Philinvest, and nandito tayo sa may Southwind San Pedro, located at South Peak San Pedro. So this one is Banyan model, one of the model here at Southwinds. Meron tayong walnut model, the bungalow type, and this one is the 2-story, so the Banyan model. Kagandahan dito, naka-firewall na yung kanyang Banyan model, at the same time meron na rin siyang lanay sa bandang kitchen. Ito. Pagpasok mo dito, naka 2 doors na siya. And then, naka-vinyl tiles na yan. So, if you want, mas okay yung tiles na gagamitin. So, mas madaling tanggalin. Ayan. Ito yung bandang kitchen. And ito yung kanyang lanay. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng fence dyan, lagyan mo yan ng bamboo trees. Mas okay. So, this one is first bedroom. Hindi lang mabuksan. And then, this one is the kitchen.